So friends, based on the BODMAS rule, brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, here is the step-by-step solution to the problem. So now here is the expression, and first we have to solve the left hand side. So first perform the multiplication and then the addition. So multiplication says 12 into 15. Now you can use Vedic math crisscross multiplication. For any two random digits you can use and you will get the answer in just a one line. 5 2s are 10, 1 will be carry over, 5 into 1 5 and 1 into 2 2. 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8, 1 into 1 that is 1. So answer is 180 and after you have to add. So after adding 180 plus 27 you will get 207. So the left hand side is 207 minus question mark. So this is the left hand side. Now step 2. To solve the right hand side, calculate the percentage of the number. So which is 28% of 400. You can simply remove the percentage and multiply by 400. Cut it down zeros and easily 28 multiplied by 4. 4 8s are 32 and 4 2s are 8. You can put 2 as it is and 3 plus 8 that is 112. The value of question mark. Combine both the sides to solve the unknown value is 207 minus question mark equals to 112. To isolate the question mark equals to 207 and then minus 112 for transposing the values equals to 95. So the value giving options, 95 is the D option, correct answer. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.